Hi everyone, welcome to another interesting video, and today we are going to see a quick, easy and amazingly delicious chicken starter or appetizer, and it's crispy tandoori chicken strips that's crispy on the outside and so very flavorful from inside. And this recipe is sure to rock when served in evening parties, as it can be prepared in advance and stored in freezer for 1 to 2 days, and when required you can just fry and serve them hot. So let's dive into the recipe. And in this bowl I have taken 2 chicken breasts that has been sliced evenly and slightly flattened, and I have then cut into thin long strips like this. And let me tell you in advance that this recipe is going to be quick and easy one, as you don't have to prepare any tandoori batter separately. So first we will season the chicken strips with some salt as per taste. Next goes 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and a teaspoon of garlic powder. And here comes the surprise element or the hero ingredient of this recipe, which is tandoori mayonnaise. That's super creamy and full of tandoori flavors. So you need not prepare a tandoori masala batter to coat the chicken strips, and this will save your time too. So I've added 3 tablespoons of it, and now we will mix all the ingredients well and coat the chicken strips with this batter. And now we will let them rest in the refrigerator for half an hour. And now to coat the chicken strips, I'll be using Panko Breadcrumbs, which will make our tandoori chicken strips crispy. But if you don't have this, then you can use normal breadcrumbs also. And now into this we will add the marinated tandoori chicken strips and coat them really well from both these sides with the breadcrumbs. See to it that they are evenly coated with the breadcrumbs. We'll shake off the excess, and in the same way we'll prepare the remaining chicken strips. And friends, you can prepare this chicken strips in advance and keep in the freezer for 3 to 4 days, which will save your time in case you want to serve them in any parties or get-togethers. And as you can see, my tandoori chicken strips are ready, and now we shall fry them. For that, we'll heat some oil in a pan, and when the oil is hot enough, we will place the chicken strips one by one, leaving some gap in between. And on medium flame we need to fry them until they turn crisp and deep golden brown from both the sides. After about a minute we'll flip the chicken strips. You can see the lovely color, which shows that they are well fried. And these chicken strips turns out so very delicious, and if you can prepare them in advance, then they'll be ready in just 2 minutes, and therefore this is an ideal recipe to serve in any parties and impress your guests. And by now our tandoori chicken strips are ready, well brown and crispy from outside and flavorful from inside. So we'll take them off and serve them hot right away. And here goes our crispy tandoori chicken strips, which is a must-try recipe during any parties and get-togethers. You can serve them hot with your favorite dip, and I'm going to enjoy my crispy tandoori chicken strips with a mint mayo. So friends, I hope you will try this interesting recipe. Also share your feedbacks and subscribe my channel for more amazing recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and happy cooking everyone.